Yo, what's up, champions? Welcome back to a brand new food review. Today we've gone to Amigos in Otley Road, Bradford.
We have BD2 Bradford.
Yes. And we have got a doner kebab wrap in a naan bread. And this will be
The Loco
Mexicana, which
burger.
has beef burger, of course, nachos, onions, what else?
Salsa, cheese,
Just a lot of stuff. And is this chips? I'm guessing.
and chips, and a couple of sauces extra, and a can of iron brew, because we love it.
Yes, we love iron brew. Right, let's get straight into the doner kebab wrap. Right, so I don't think I'm going to be able to, well, if I use the burger to keep this bit down. There we go. Right, lift the lid.
There's a lot in there.
Yep, you get loads of doner meat, loads of sauce, loads of salad. Let's try a little bit of this doner meat. Feels like good doner meat.
They had the spit spinning in there with the doner meat on it, which I like to see.
Good doner meat. Oh, yeah. Great flavours.
They do all sorts in there, your pizzas, your chicken burgers. They've got everything going on in there.
Right, I want to try a bit with the naan bread. Got a little bit there. They've got some chilli sauces and all that. Let me get some of that.
See what the chilli sauce is like.
Naan bread's a bit chewy. I think the condensation has made it a little bit more chewy.
You can do that.
But the doner meat's really nice.
That's what we're here for, the doner meat.
Right, Mexicana burger. Now, I don't really like salsa, and there's salsa on this burger. But we'll see. Again, I just don't want to use chips. I just wish wind didn't exist.
Do you know, I like the look of that.
I like the look of it. You got your natural... Is that Cool Original Doritos?
Find out.
Great. Look at the colour on that bun.
I'm pretty sure on the menu it's a brioche.
Right. Oh, yeah. That burger reminds me of festivals. It's a proper festival burger, that.
It looks,
Oh, yeah.
It looks decent.
I actually don't mind the salsa in that. And I don't like salsa.
Yeah, I suppose when you mix the flavours together, it changes it.
So,
Let's have a look at these chips.
there's a beautiful crunch from the crisps. I love the flavours from the salsa. Great bun, great burger. It's proper nice and juicy. That is a very good burger. You get loads of chips.
Let's have a look. Oh, yeah.
Massive bag full of them. Get a good one there. I don't think they've salted them. No salt on that whatsoever.
Got a salted chips.
But they're very crispy, and very fluffy on the inside. I like that. But there's no salt, which is a bit unfortunate.
Scores. Start where we started on the doner wrap.
The doner meat, very good, very flavourful, great sauces. But the bread has kind of let me down. Not the bread, the naan. It's kind of let me down because it's a bit chewy. It's hard to swallow. It's very heavy. If I'm rating just the doner meat, that's a good 8.5. But if I'm rating everything together, the flavours are pretty decent, but it's just... I know it's probably not their fault that the naan's chewy. It's probably the condensation, but it brings it down a few for me to 8.2.
8.2. Still a decent score.
Yeah, the doner meat is very nice.
The burger.
Right, you've got your... It's falling to pieces. You've got your nachos on there, you've got your burger and everything. It's so nice. Perfect flavour combination. Beautiful. That burger. It's got like a smoky taste to it. Very nice. 8.7.
8.2. Oh, good score on the burger. And last but not least, the Jockey's Whips. Unsalted. Does that change things?
It changes.
Really?
How am I going to keep this still?
Just keep your hand on it.
The no salt changes a lot. Got a good chip. Very nice and crispy. Fluffy inside. But that salt, it's just a flavour booster. It just brings the flavour up. That's where it kills it. If it had salt, I'm saying that's a good 8.4, but without salt, it's a standard takeaway chip. I would say it's below average just because of the salt. The no salt really kills it for me. I'm giving it an 8, which is still good. They've still got good flavour.
Still a good score, but slightly disappointed with no salt.
If it was just its standard takeaway chip without salt, then that's going straight to maybe even low 7s. You know what? I'm even going to change that to a 7.7.
7-7 on the jockey's whips because of the no salt.
Because
Well,
of the
it's
no
still
salt.
not a bad score. We're still all right with that.
It just kills it without salt. Yeah,
Needs to be salted.
that's my no salt on chips rant.
So, overall, are we happy with that?
Yes, World Champions Home Drive Food Review. Like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Check us out on all of our social medias, everything besides Twitter or X. So I will see you champions in the next one. Goodbye!